Today I'm going to show you an amazing way of quickly building a chord progression for a track using the unique Smart Chord feature within the Session Keys range of instruments. In this hip-hop soul track, I want to add some decorated chords in a progression that makes sense and fits within the style of the song. I'm using the Session Keys Electric R and I've selected the rich chorus sound. Have a look through these presets, they all sound fantastic and offer lots of stylistic options for your productions. Here is the Smart Chord section. I'm turning it on and you can see here you can select any key in a number of modes depending on what you require. What's nice about this feature is that if you already know your vocal recording is in D minor, for example, you can simply select D minor and the relevant chords will be presented to you on the white keys below. So onto the white keys. There are 7 available chords and there are 5 treatments of each chord that are made available by pressing the black keys prior to triggering a chord. 2 inversions, sus4, a 7th and 9th coloration. On the left-hand side, you'll notice 2 extra keys which add a root octave bass note to the chords or a lower 5th. I'm going to click this with the mouse to leave it permanently on. Much like the other keys, if you only require it momentarily, you can press them with the other chord keys to introduce even more chord variants. I'm going to play with some chords now to build up a simple progression that suits my beat. You'll see I've managed to create some complex chords without having to learn how to play them. This allows you to quickly create some fantastic sounding music even if you don't play the piano. If you have a drum pad instead, there's also a pad mode where you can build the same progressions as we have done here today. So that's the Smart Chord feature, just one of the many features of the Session Keys range of instruments. Thanks for watching.